The page style is mainly set through the style pane on the right side. Click on the dimensions drop list, and you can see several pre-made page dimension categories, including the top, web, Apple, and Android. If you choose auto, the page dimension will be set according to your window size. Let's preview. You can see that the mobile prototype does not have a scroll bar because it is smaller than the size of the window. Go to a larger page and you can see that the page is scrollable, and the page size automatically changes according to the size of the prototype. When designing web pages, we usually choose auto. If you choose custom web, the page dimension will have a width limit instead of a height limit. If your page has a fixed width, you can choose this option. If you choose a custom device, the page size will have a range of width and height. You can see a red line on the screen, which is the bottom boundary of the page. If the content exceeds the red line, a scroll bar will appear in the generated prototype. We choose an iPhone 8 device and see that the content exceeds the bottom boundary. Then generate the prototype, and you can see that the prototype can scroll vertically. You can also switch the screen direction on your mobile device. By clicking the switch button, we can see it switch to landscape. Returning to a web page, you can see that page align is centered, which is the default setting. Generate a prototype. You can see that the content is centered. Select Align Left and preview the prototype again. You can see that the content appears on the left. Then we change the fill of the page. Click on the color box and select a color. You can see that the background color has changed. You can use image to fill the background. Select an image and you can see that the background is filled with the image. The visual fidelity property controls the visual fidelity of the prototype. If you want to show low fidelity prototype to others, select low. You can see that after choosing low fidelity, the graphic color changes to grayscale, and then the text style also changes to a hand-drawn style. In Axure RP, each page has a page style applied. Click on the page style drop list. You can see which page style is applied. If you make changes to the style of the page, there will be a star symbol on the name of the applied page style. If you want to update the current changed page style, click Update or Create Style, then click Update Style. You can see that the star symbol has disappeared. This means that the update has been saved to this page style. Undo action. If you want to create a new style for the current changed page style, click Create New Style. In the pop-up Page Style Manager window, you can see that the newly created page style name is New Page Style. You can change its name. On the right side, you can see what attributes the new style has been changed to. You can also change these attributes. In the upcoming case lesson, you will learn how to apply page styles.